Hey everyone! Welcome back to ZENDA, your go-to spot for discovering amazing opportunities in the crypto world. Today, I'm super excited to share something huge with you. Binance just launched a new campaign featuring the KITE token, and trust me, you don't want to miss this. Here's the scoop. There's a whopping 250,000 KITE token voucher pool up for grabs. That's over 21 million KITE. And guess what? It's open to everyone. You don't need to be a pro trader. Just have a Binance account and you're good to go. Let me break it down for you. The promotion runs from November 3rd to November 17th, 1200 UTC. During this time, you just need to trade at least $100 on any of these pairs: KITE USDT, KITE USDC, KITE BNB, or KITE TRI. So, how do you join? It's super easy. First, click Join Now on the event page. Then use my referral code, RMCTNB5R, and trade at least $100 worth of KITE on any of the listed pairs. That's it. You're officially in the campaign. Think about it. You're not just trading. You're earning while you trade. It's a win-win. Whether you're new to crypto or a daily trader, this is a chance to earn real token rewards just by joining. So don't wait. Once the campaign ends on November 17th, this opportunity will be gone. Quick reminder, click the link below, register with code RMCTN5R, trade KITE, and let's share that 21 million token prize pool. You can claim your reward at Rewards Hub tab. This is ZENDA, helping you grow, learn, and earn smarter in crypto. Don't just watch, take action today. See you on Binance, and let's grab those KITE rewards together.